In this CS195 screencast, we'll be editing the main body of the TOC document. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add these headlines into the document. So we're going to be using the H2 tag. Make sure you have the closing tag as well. And then we're also going to be adding an unordered list to these elements. So that is UL. And the closing tag, and then for each of these items we'll be using the list item tag, or LI. Make sure you close it at the end. And we can copy these tags to each list item, like so. So we have a list. And then what we want to do is we want to make these links. So to do this, we'll use the A tag. And put a closing A tag. Notice that the title of the site that we want to use is inside of the beginning A tag and the ending A tag. And so for the first one, which is the course website, be using this link. And the second one is Blackboard. So we will copy this over and put in the link to Blackboard. And next is the tag list, which you can find on the main website. Copy that link with Control-C. And next is the HTML validator. That is also on this page, and it looks like that. Copy that with Control-C. And finally we have the CSS validator, which we will be using next week. So notice we have each link inside a list item, which is inside our unordered list. Okay. So for the next part, we're going to also want to put a headline on this section. And then, instead of using an unordered list, we are going to be using a ordered list, which is OL. And like the unordered list, each of these line items is going to get corresponding LI tag. Sure to get the ending tag, the closing tags. Now, here's the tricky part. So, these parts we want to have in a nested list. So to do a nested list, we're going to do an unordered nesting list. We will be putting that unordered list inside of a list item. So make sure that all the stuff that you want in that list item is enclosed like so. And then we'll add a UL for unordered list. Then we add another LI, which will be our unordered list item inside our unordered list, which is in our ordered list item. So following this format, we can add nested lists where we need to. So one goes here, put the LI tag and closing, and then there's a larger one here. It's very important that you have your unordered list inside of your list item, like you see here. Oh, there we go. Then add list items here. So now you have your final list, which has an unordered list and nested unordered lists. And for this first assignment, we want to make a link to it. So we will be using the A tag again, and using the href attribute, we will link to this page, toc.html, and make sure you put the closing A tag after the title for the link. And to finish off the document, we need to add this code. So copy that with Control-C, go to our document, paste it, Control-V, and so this ends the body of our HTML document, and then finally ends the file. And so make sure to save this, and you're done.